On being questioned on the 114 MRFA program, the Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force has said that the MRFA program got impacted due to the lockdown, and the Air Force is working to get its qualitative requirements right. The selected aircraft will be deeply made in India, and the percentage of niche technologies that would be done locally in India under MRFA are much higher, for which intense discussions will have to be conducted with the prospective foreign original equipment manufacturer, and the Air Force wants to complete this process quickly. He also said that as a large portion of Air Force's expenditure in the life cycle of the aircraft goes to maintenance, repair and overhaul, for which India will insist to establish a MRO facility, as well as assembly of certain parts. This statement comes after a recent media report that India has pitched with France to become a hub for maintenance, repair and overhaul for Rafale fighter jets. After the successful launch of the Brahmos extended-range missile from INS Chennai on 5 March, a land attack variant of the Brahmos extended-range missile was fired from a mobile autonomous launcher yesterday at an uninhabited island in Andaman and Nicobar, and the released picture shows the Brahmos missile dug in at its target. That showcases the high pinpoint accuracy of the Brahmos extended-range missile. A new hybrid main battle tank was spotted during its test run at the dedicated track at the Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment facility in Avadi, which had a turret of the T-90 on the hull of T-72 tank, and was also equipped with a DRDO-developed explosive reactive armor. The CVRDE had also developed a hybrid EX variant in 2002 that used a turret of the Arjun main battle tank on T-72 hull, but it was rejected by the Indian Army. It is to be noted that India's Ministry of Defence is upgrading 1,000 T-72 main battle tanks with an uprated 1,000 horsepower indigenous V46-6 engine manufactured by Engine Factory Avadi, along with Israeli thermal imager fire control systems, new reactive armor, fire detection and suppression systems, new communication and navigation systems, and auxiliary power unit from private sector firm Ashok Global. There are reports that the DRDO developed Akash-NG medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system will have two different launchers, one for the Indian Army and another for the Indian Air Force. The DRDO had conducted the third test of the Akash-NG in July 2021 that validated the functioning of the complete weapon system, along with indigenously developed launcher, multifunction radar and command control and communication system. The Air Force might be going for a different launcher, as it has different requirements in terms of operational level mobility and logistics, and the system will be limited to its airbase or predetermined launch sites, while the Army's Akash-NG mobile launcher will move with advancing armored columns and protected from aerial threats. While the government is conducting an in-depth assessment of ongoing defense contracts amid Western sanctions on Russia, media reports indicate that the current situation will lead to the delay in the Project Mango, which is a joint Indo-Russian program to manufacture 125mm fin-stabilized armor-piercing discarding sabot ammunition for T-72 and T-90 tanks that are capable of destroying all known tank armor in direct firing range. The project was already facing a delay of 1 year due to slow construction of the building by Central Public Works Department, but the current situation in Eastern Europe will also lead to further delays. The Indian Coast Guard has said that a newly inducted Advanced Light Helicopter Mark III undertook maritime and coastal surveillance from an afloat platform. The Coast Guard had ordered 16 Advanced Light Helicopter Mark III and has already inducted 12 units at 3 Coast Guard squadrons, and this newly delivered helicopter is part of 4th Squadron that will operate from Chennai.